Hi everyone, welcome to Echuca Victoria's Pokey Slot channel.
Something spins or something come up. Go on. Something. $10. Yeah, don't pay too much.
Oh, 400, eh? What a count.
I think we could please fix you up with another bonus.
Yeah.
On it.
So you've got to get 3 of them, they'll give you 3 spin too.
Yeah.
Run out of fucking money this time. 400 will give you nothing, that's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Give you another 3 spins.
Crazy how they work.
Oh yeah, that's what they are, on the even count. Why don't we pay all them class? $500 now, still nothing.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh,
Right.
you need 6 with that. You would have won the green one. You would have won. If you had 6 chips with it,
Oh yeah.
it would have gave it to the 500 class. There you go.
That's out of 3 spin, isn't it?
Yeah, you get 6 free games.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully it lands a chip for you in the middle. Big chip.
Oh yeah.
That's what you're after when you get them.
So what am I going to get?
Oh, that big chip that lands in the middle, or the substitute, or just line stuff up. But
Oh yeah.
if you want a big chip, you only need 1 chip to land. You collect it. That's a substitute. That'll pay a bit,
Yeah.
probably 20, 30 bucks.
Oh yeah. For 50 anyway.
Yeah. Wow, that's how you do it. Hopefully it does something better than the last time. Gives me a fucking pearl. No, dodge me. Turtle. There's my pearl. Oh, that's good. Subs at the back. Yeah. You get every line.
Oh, right.
So, wasn't much, but it was only about 50 cents, but I'll take it, I guess. Girl's best friend, free spins. Doesn't have to pay me up. Fucking pay me hearts, you fucking prick. Fucking dog, mate. No hearts. 2 to go. Fucking kidding. Serious? $5, $6, $8, $9. Fucking mini or something. One then.